Namaskar, Radhe Radhe, Hare Krishna. Sometimes we feel so hesitated to explain those things about ourselves which is really means a lot to us and which is so effective, so dear also can say sometimes. But morally we are prepared to having them, to means realizing them in those way which we want, because not every time everything seems so easy and reliable, like comfortable to all of us. Life has many of terms and conditions we all have to face. Here, if we are facing, not facing actually, we are learning the lessons from life. This is the real source of inspiration, can say, to all of us. Then how we feel relaxed and motivated through them, and what is the real reason in which we can feel so meaningful and so worthy in our own belief. Yes, we can feel those things, because here our moral support is only our own thinking, means way of thinking, how we realize, how we understand, how we think about our all the chores and realizations. Because maybe sometimes conditions affects us, but here our response makes them feel polite and light to all of us, and result we can see only the reflections of our thoughts for them. Not the condition is, can say, hard or very means tough. If we have the courage and understanding for having them in those way which seems so reliable and easy, then we can maintain it. We can means assemble this all the phases in those way which we want to all of us. Yes, it is life, and in our hands all the possibilities exist in those way which we want. So without any hesitation and without any fear, we have to see all the phases of life, all the phases of life. Yes, means sometimes we can see those kinds of persons in our life. They seem so easy and reliable, but because of their some of attentions, we feel so neglected in ourselves. We feel so demoralized. Here, our demoralization is not only the feeling of low. Here, the demoralization makes us feel means makes us feel little low, maybe sometimes, but also encourage us internally and gives us the real means solution for our lives all the troubles, and can provides us the real way of understanding the life's meaning. Because if there is not darkness, then how we can understand the importance of brightness? Yes, sometimes darkness also needed for all of us for understanding and realization the importance of brightness in our life. So feel the dark side, understand the dark side, and face the dark side, because we all are prepared for this and prepare for them easily. Yes, easily. Needs of our courage and understanding, because here understanding means a lot to all of us, and life is broadly we all know our making. How we think, we can prepare our life in those ways. Sometimes it seems maybe at the first time so hard, but if we have the courage, then we can approach all those things which we want easily in our life, to have them, to understand them. I hope all of you understand the emotions, the emotional phases of our life, because our life are making mostly because of our thoughts, because our thoughts are the real source and means the way of attaining our impressions in front of us. So understand the life, go with the life's all sorts, maybe dark or bright, because dark side gives you inspiration and bright side give you means provides you the realization, the real inspirations of life. Radhe Radhe, Hare Krishna.